What do these pictures have in common? Human lives, yet very different. The bottom picture, 5 billionaires who didn't know what to do with their money, so they willingly spent $250,000 each to be dropped to the bottom of the ocean to just entertain themselves and look at a shipwreckage that, ironically, 100 years ago took lives of other millionaires at that time. Now, and the whole world is talking about them. The whole world is searching and crying for them. Who knows how many millions of dollars have been spent looking for them. Now, on top of this other picture, there is apparently 804 refugees. They're not there for fun. They're not on a cruise ship. They're fighting for bare human existence. They're trying to find a place just to exist. They're running from war, hunger, oppression. They're just looking for bare human existence. 804 of them. They've been watched for hours and not being helped. 700 of them are gone. Who's helping? Now they're looking for them when they're gone. I mean, they could have done something way before they sunk. But I mean, look at the difference. 500 billionaires are more important than 800 regular people. The whole world is talking about this. Nobody cares about that. I bet you if this ship had 80 dogs on it, the whole world and all the media would talk about it. But this happened to be 800 of possibly Muslims' lives, so no big deal. What do you guys think? Do you agree with me, or am I wrong on this?